Hello everyone. So during lockdown I have picked up a power supply for my prototyping breadboard from Mottramlabs. Apologies if I've said that wrong, I'll put a link in the video description. It is a nice little board that fits onto your breadboard by 2 rows of pins that supply power. This came mostly pre-soldered. I had to solder these 4 pins on, but everything else was pre-assembled. And the way this works, it takes 12 volts in through the barrel jack on the side, and then using these jumpers you can choose what power to have on each side of your breadboard. Now, I'm making this video to make you aware that I'm not sure if it's my model or if it's just the way this is designed, but you have 3 voltages, 3.3 volts, 5 and 12 volts. The 3.3 and the 5 work fine. The 12 does not. On mine, the 12 comes out closer to 16 volts. So if you're getting this for the 12 volt rail, just check that when you get it. Again, this could just be my particular batch, but I don't really want to use mine for 12 volts, so I'm fine with this. But if I plug it in, we have 3 LEDs that show you that each power rail is working, and I have 12 volts set on this side and I have 5 volts set on this side. So I just turn my multimeter on, and if I measure over here first, this should show us 5 volts. There enough. Then over this side I put it on, and at the minute it is giving us 17.02 volts, and there is no way to adjust the output. It is fixed. Under load it goes down to as low as 15. I tried it with a fan earlier, but it does mean that if you want this for 12 volts, check it when it arrives and make sure that yours does 12 and not a higher voltage. Other than that, this is a very nice little board. I've had no other problems with it. It even comes with the parts for this connector here if you wanted to have this not on the breadboard and put wires across onto it. The only thing you have to supply is a 12 volt power supply and barrel jack, but they're to common size. I found one lying around in a box of bits. So yeah, I hope that's helpful for somebody, and that's all I wanted to say.